This is Fire, Wind, Rain, and Snow by me, dedicated to the one and only Nicholas fucking Gomez, aka my brother. Brother, please don't let me go through fire, wind, rain, or snow. Brother, please say you'll stay. Don't turn your back and walk away. Now tell me with that look in your eyes, do you see the sun? 'Cause darling, that's our escape, so grab my hand and let's run. It's all the same to you and me. It's all okay, have faith, trust me. Now brother, you've been washed away by all the torment and the pain. Now look in my eyes and hear me say, there's gonna be brighter days. The freedom that we're always talking about, freedom of mind, speech, and right. We gotta hold on to what we believe in, stick together and fly. A brother, promise you will stay. Don't drop out or turn away. Without you, there is no me. Like Jesus Christ, I'd be lost at sea. It's all the same to you and me. It's all the same to you and me. It's all okay, have faith, trust me. It's all okay, have faith, trust me. Don't let go, please. Don't let go. Through the fire, wind, rain, or snow. Don't let go, please. Don't let go, just don't let me. Don't let me go.